Hello, hi, this is Mr. S. Today we are gonna start about the Java, the introduction of the Java. It is a high-level object-oriented programming language. It was developed by the Sun Microsystems in the 1995. It was popular for web, mobile, and enterprise applications. See, Java is one of the programming language. It is mostly used in terms of the Android operating systems, also in the creation of any kind of programs, systems, software, etc. So next we're going to the features of Java. Java, it is a platform independent. It is a platform independent software which we can write once and we can run in any kind of operating systems that may be of the Windows OS, iOS, etc. It is an object-oriented programming system. It is a secure and robust one. It is multi-threaded and portable. Portable. The portability refers to the thing, so it can be embedded within a small thing. Robust. Robust refers to the security. And the security and robust means one of the thing which is of the more huge one, and it is compatible with any kind of thing. Multi-threaded. That means the threading done upon the another. So next we are going to the Java architecture. Java architecture. So the Java architecture consists of four things. They are the JDK, JRE, JVM, bytecodes. JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Toolkit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JDK. JDK means the Java Development Toolkit. It consists of the thing it consists of the development toolkits which I use for the writing of the program. JRE. JRE stands for the Java Runtime Environment. So for every program it requires a runtime environment. So in Java we are having JRE. JVM. JVM is a virtual machine which converts the source code with the bytecode, and the bytecode is executed from the given process. So, and next we are coming to the Java basic Java program. The basic Java program consists of class and main method, compilation, execution. So the compilation is done with the help of the Java C, and execution is done using the .java command. So in many the colleges and many education institutions, they often use Notepad. Through using of the Notepad, we'll write the headers and we'll write this one, the class name, and we'll write the method. So for the method, we use the public static void main. Within the brackets, write the string argument. String argument is not the main thing, so the data will be stored there. So the next one is of the concepts of Java. As we said earlier, the Java is supported by the OOPS concepts. The OOPS concepts are the class and object, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. The class and object. The class. Class is a thing which consists of all things, and object. Object is referred to as a blueprint of the class, the things which are having. Inheritance. Inheritance. In simple words, we often say that inheritance. Inheritance means inheriting the properties from the parent class. There are two kinds of classes, parent class and child class. Parent class can also be said as a base class. Child class can also be said as a derived class. There are different types of inheritances. They are single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance. Next is of encapsulation. Encapsulation refers to the, it's of the polymorphism. Polymorphism, it is a Greek word. Poly means many and morphism means form. That means the polymorphism states that ability to change into the many forms. It is again derived into polymorphism is of method overriding and method overloading. They both are differ. And abstraction. Abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. These four are considered to be the pillars of the Java, of the OOPS concepts. Next we come to the applications of Java. Now Java can be used in the web applications, Android applications, desktop softwares, cloud and enterprise systems. See here we got a word called cloud. In today's competitive world, the cloud is playing a key role. The cloud is mostly used for the storage of the data. The data can be stored. The data can be of any kind of videos, images, text, documents of any kind. We often store the data in the cloud. And the enterprises, the today's small scale, large scale, any kind of enterprise or industry is using the cloud for the data storage. Some are even using the data centers which they are having, which are owned by that companies or anything. So next we are coming to the advantages of the Java. Advantage of Java. It is very easy to learn, consists of the large community support, it has the rich API and libraries. It is having the high performance with the help of the JVM. Without JVM, the high performance or the performance cannot be done. So next we are coming to the conclusion. At last we here conclude that the Java remains one of the most widely used programming languages, which is used in education, business and modern software development, strong feature in cloud and enterprise computing. As we stated, Java is very important and it is used in the Android OS. So for the development of the Android OS or for creating of any kind of software through using of the Android OS, we use the Java programming language. Instead of the Java, we can also use the Kotlin, but Java is more preferable and it is very easy to learn. We use the Java language in the creation of the applications of the Android in Android OS. Thank you. That's all for today.